What's up, everybody? This is Finn Benjamin here, back again with another house viewing. And I'm at 1733 Howard Street. And this house was just put on the market today. And I found it on the MLS and I thought it looked amazing, so I wanted to come and check it out. So let's go take a look. As soon as you walk in here, you walk into like this nice living room. Opens to this dining room here. You can put patio furniture back here, fire pit, whatever you want. Let's go upstairs and see what's going on up here. Nice. So this is the second floor. Ooh, huge bedroom. Get lots of light. Closet with some compartments in there. Some closet space. I really like the size of this bedroom. Here's the other bedroom. Ceiling fan. This house also has central air. Wonderful. This is always the seller for me. Like, how is the bathroom? Let's see what the bathroom is like. Got 2 sinks in here. 2 sinks are necessary these days because people like to get dressed together. They like to get ready together for work and stuff. Sometimes they have to out of necessity. Nice looking toilet in there. I love tubs that are big enough to soak in. I'm a tall guy, so I need a tub that can fit me. Nice shower. Boom. I love a sweet bathroom. There's another level, a third level, that has a third bedroom. And this is also roomy. Look at the size of this room. More closets. Mad closet space. And you have another full bathroom up here. Standing shower. It's really nice. So again, guys, I'm at 1733 Howard Street in Fishtown, and this house is going for $400K. So yeah, it's kind of like a big ticket house, but it's I think it's definitely worth it. And in this neighborhood where it's located right next to the Berks Street station, so it's like really close to the L station for public transportation. And Frankfurt Avenue is just 2 blocks over there, and just on Front Street they've been putting up like a whole slew of new businesses. Steven Starr just opened up LMNO over there on Front Street, right next to Evil Genius. And yeah, Fishtown is just continually growing. And so a house like this that's worth $400K, in a few years you can expect it to increase in value. If you're interested in seeing this place, just contact me and I'll be happy to set up a viewing to get you in here so you can see it up close. And if you want to buy it, we can get the process going and get you into your new fabulous home. And once again, I am Finn Benjamin here with another home preview for you. And I hope you enjoyed it. And I'll see you on the next one. Ciao.